हंडी यू मस्ट बी नोइंग, मिट्टी का बर्तन है, क्ले पॉट. So this adventure camp you cook in a handi. It's amazing. So there are a lot of new creativity we are trying to uh, input in our adventure. So this is गरम होथिबो जाड़ पाकर चूलो बारुछ देखा जीवन के एमती काट दबा काठी काटे काठी तराइबो नहीं कि क्या मस्त दिख रहा है यार. मुंह में ट्रैकिंग पे जाएंगे हम लोग. इस रिवर को क्रॉस करके पल्ली तरफ को जाना होगा हमें. देखिए यहाँ पर कैसे मुश्किल होता है यहाँ पर जाने. This is a gun for night safety. It is licensed one. So clay pot. Then tent is there. We have pitched our tent for temporary. Night will be going to a high. We pitch our tents there. Hello everyone. We are the Darinbari trekkers. Tonight we'll be going to a jungle. We'll be spending. This is our brigade. Surprising thing is we have not discovered the place where we have to stay. So as we trek, hike in the jungle, we'll be finding the suitable place and we'll be spending this night. Literally we are in a jungle now. It involved me some adventure activities, you wear safety gears, but today we have nothing like that. Nothing is there. Only this tiny bridge is there.
Guys, मैं हूँ अनुप. अब मैं ये रिवर क्रॉस करने वाला हूँ, जो कि यहाँ पर ब्रिज नहीं है तो कार में जाना पड़ता है. तो देखिए कैसे जाना होता है.
तो ये एक एडवेंचर है. आज हम लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं एडवेंचर करने. तो देखिए ट्रैकिंग पे जाएंगे हम लोग. इस रिवर को क्रॉस करके पल्ली तरफ को जाना होगा हमें.
देखिए यहाँ पर कैसे मुश्किल होता है यहाँ पर जाने.
Tiny, these are the ropes. These are the ropes. So since traditionally people are crossing, and we also thought of attempting that, and there is a deep water in the river. Anything can happen, but we are making sure that we cross. We want to experience the struggle of the people. So this is adventure is meant for that. My younger brother started going. He has sleeping bags and camping tools. This kind of experience we like to provide you. आई एम बिट नर्वस क्योंकि मेरा टर्न है. मुझे पार करके जाना होगा. काफ़ी डरा हुआ हूँ, बट कोशिश करेंगे कि बेस्ट मैं अटेम्प्ट कर लूँ और इसको पार कर लूँ.
क्या बात है.
Okay, we are in a nearby stream, a river. It is flowing downwards from their location, and My bhatija Bunty is preparing the chicken. Another one is swinging the leaves, and this is a gun for night safety. It is licensed one. Clay pot. Then tent is there. We have pinched our tent for temporary. Night will be going to a high altitude. We'll be pitching our tent there. We'll be spending there. So this is all about the camping ideas, the camping factories. Usually we have a lot of preparation, but now without preparation we are going so that we can have maximum time of enjoyment. Yeah, this is a small stream flowing downwards, place for taking bath. They are washing the rice, and there is the river. Now it is about to be sunset. Okay, है भाई हमारा, देखिए यहाँ पे चावल है और वो हमारा टेंट है. ये एक्चुअली टेम्पररी है. यहाँ से हम लोग थोड़ी देर में निकल जाएंगे एक हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड माउंटेन में, वहाँ पे कैंपिंग करेंगे. एक्चुअली now we have finished our day camping. Now we'll be going for high altitude mountain camping. So this is our brigade. We are the explorers of the trekking route, hiking routes in Kandhamal. Hello, good morning. So today our camp is going to be bind up here. Yesterday during daytime we started with the day trekking. We went to a river side, had some adventure activities, and today, yesterday night we came to this jungle. I like to show you views. Yeah, this is the jungle, and that is the valley landscapes. Yeah, and this is such a wonderful place, and I like to show you the front view. How does it look? Stunning beauty. This is the natural beauty of Kandhamal and the Kuidina. That is our tent. We pitch our tents there. So the purpose of organizing this camp is to explore the beauty of our own area. This is such a beautiful location. See, won't it look good? It looks so beautiful. Those mountains look so beautiful. Everything looks so beautiful. And this is hardly 10 kilometers from my home. No, not 10 kilometers. Hardly 3-4 kilometers from my home, and we'll be going back now. So this was overall good time altogether. So if you are thinking of coming to Kandhamal and especially Darinbadi area, and you like to have some activities like this, please like our page and get more information. Email ID, WhatsApp number, then all contact details are available there in the page and the channel. You will get information everything, and this is what I can say you. And our team, we are now exploring new locations, exploring to help others to explore. So this is the solo intention. So continue to support us by liking, and moreover, if you are from Odisha and Kandhamal and you are seeing this video of mine, please support us. Let's promote our location in different angle, different area, so that people can continue to come to our location and enjoy the natural beauty, everything, and they can go back with a rich memory and say, they can say, yeah, Kandhamal was a good location. Kandhamal was a very nice location, isn't it? So this was actually solo intention. So have a great day. When new trekking, new hiking comes, we'll let you know, guys. And तब तक मास्क पहनिए, घर पे रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए. बाय बाय.